YouTubers. So these fanfare horns looking a bit sorry for themselves, especially this one. Yeah, very sorry for itself. Anyway, we decided time to replace them with some nice new ones. Got this Miler kit, which is actually really good. There's the part number. This was just £20 for 2 brand new horns, as you can see, with nuts and stuff. Bearing in mind Mercedes wanted, I think, like 40 odd quid per horn, or even more than that, I can't remember now. So we're going to put these on and freshen them up. So let's get going. So we're just looking at a couple of 10 mils, it looks like, to undo these bolts, which look like they've been on there forever. Get that one loose and get that one loose. Nut or bolt, what you want to call it. Brackets as well. Fits on very nicely. Very nicely. The other side. done.
Let's see what they sound like. Brilliant, they both work. Job done.